Salutations to everyone. I am Muskan from Senior BPC. Today I have stand before you to tell a few words about Independence Day. Respected teachers and dear compatriots, today is the greatest day in history. 15th August 1947 was the day when our motherland broke the chains of slavery and took the first breath in the air of freedom. This is not just a date, but also a shining chapter of sacrifice, struggle, patience and martyrdom that we must always remember. Dear friends, this freedom is not handed to as a gift. To achieve it, our ancestors offered their lives as sacrifice. Thousands of freedom fighters shed their blood and were separated from their loved ones. Yet they never bowed their heads before British imperialism. The spirit of sacrifice of Allama Fazal Haq Ghairabadi, Shah Abdul Aziz Muhaddis Dehelvi, Syed Ahmad Shahid, Syed Hussain Ahmad Madani, Haji Imdadullah Muhajir Makki, Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, Ashfaqullah Khan, Muhammad Ali Jauhar, Barkatullah Bhupali and Tipu Sultan Shahid and countless unnamed freedom fighters reminds us how precious freedom is. Dear friends, among all these great personalities, one towering name is Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, whom we often overlook and considering him merely as a scholar or minister of the education. However, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad was the standard bearer of Hindu-Muslim unity, a revolutionary journalist and one of the greatest pillars of India's freedom movement. The British feared his pen the most. Through his newspapers, Al-Hilal and Al-Balag, he awakened the masses. He exposed the British conspiracies. He ignited the passion for the freedom in the youth. His statement still touches our heart. India is not just the land of Hindus or Muslims alone. It is our shared motherland belonging to all of us. Come, let us all pledge together. We will not let the sacrifice of our elders to go in vain. We will uphold Hindu-Muslim unity, brotherhood, peace and love. We will take our nation to new heights of progress. Thank you for giving me this wonderful opportunity.